Hey y'all, One Wire here. Just wanted to record a quick video, kind of a preview of things to come. I entered a giveaway on Instagram, I think it was last week. It was with Custom Dynamics, excellent company. They make all sorts of different LED headlights and turn signals and pretty much anything. If it illuminates in one way, shape, or form, they probably make it for your motorcycle. I've got bullet rings, turn signals on my Street Glide. I've got the Pro Beam headlight on my Street Glide. Really great products and great people. But anyway, they had a giveaway that they were doing on Instagram, and I entered it. I always enter those things. You know, people do the giveaways and they're giving away this and that, and I always enter, but I never win. So I was extremely surprised and excited when I woke up this past Saturday morning and saw that there was a direct message from Custom Dynamics on my Instagram account. So I checked it out and it said that I had won. So really cool. Like I said, I've already got the bullet rings, LED turn signals, and brake lamps on my Street Glide, and I love them. Couldn't be happier. So I'm not looking to replace them. So I asked the people at Custom Dynamics if it would be against the contest rules for me, because they asked me what sort of bike that I needed the LEDs for, and I asked them if it would be against the contest rules if I put them on my sister's motorcycle. I didn't know if it would have to be, you know, my personal bike or what, and they said no, that's absolutely fine. So my sister has a 2020 Fat Boy, so they're sending them for that'll fit on the Fat Boy. So when I get them, I plan on doing an unboxing and an install video to show you how easy these are to install on your motorcycle. They're plug and play. You can do a turn signal upgrade front and rear in minutes, and it looks much cooler than the factory incandescents. And from what I see with mine, they're much brighter as well. So to me, that's a safety thing. Anytime you can put more lights on your bike, or even replace lights that are already there with brighter lights, that's a great thing to be able to do. So stay tuned for that. That'll be my next video. Also, just as a reminder, June 13th is coming up pretty quick, less than 2 weeks from today. So that's when we're having our raffle drawing for CVMA Georgia Chapter 25-8. We're raffling off 5 different weapons and a 2020 Street Bob motorcycle. All the proceeds that we get from our raffle ticket sales are benefiting veterans and our 2 veterans charities. And tickets are still available. You can get them online at this link right here, and then I'll post it in the description below as well. And if you're local to the Northwest Georgia area, you can get the tickets in person too. If you see one of the Crazy 8s for my chapter, usually you can find us on Wednesday nights at Pizza Shack in Dallas, Georgia at Bike Night, and on Thursday night you can find us at Bike Night at Six's Tavern in Cartersville, Georgia. So we have the tickets there. We'll be selling tickets all the way up until the date of the event, which is June 13th. But I believe the online raffle ticket sales stop a day or 2 before. It might be June 10th. I'll double check that and I'll put the date out. But that's just for the online tickets. The in-person tickets, just see one of us, like I said, and we'll hook you up happily. So a couple questions I just kind of wanted to put out there to anybody that might be watching the video, and if you have any answers or whatever your thoughts or opinions are on the, if you could just post them in the comments below. But these questions are related to my sister's 2020 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy motorcycle. So like I mentioned, we're putting the LED turn signals on them, and she's just got the factory headlight on the motorcycle, and it's not very bright. So she's definitely looking for a good upgrade for that. So I checked Custom Dynamics, and the Pro Beam headlights that they make will not fit any of the Softail models from 2018 through 2020. And the reason for that is the headlight bucket has apparently been changed on the 2018 and newer Softail models, and the Pro Beam headlight just won't fit in there properly. So and I double checked with Custom Dynamics support, excellent people, And unfortunately, they just at this time do not make a headlamp to fit that motorcycle. So I was looking at the Harley-Davidson models, and the Daymaker, they have the LED Daymaker projector. And reading some of the reviews on it, it seems like it's a decent headlight. Just wanted to get your guys' thoughts on that, or if you know of a better headlight for that motorcycle, you know, drop it in the comments below. And then the other thing is the horn. The horn on that motorcycle, how do we say it nicely? It sucks. It sounds like a forklift horn, and those ain't exactly loud. So it's just a small horn that's mounted up on the front of the frame of the motorcycle. And I've been looking online and trying to find some replacements for that, and read some reviews and checked out some things on the Harley forums and whatnot, and I've got a couple of ideas. But again, just kind of curious what your guys' thoughts are on it, and if you have any extremely loud small horns that you know of, be glad to hear about that, because we're going to upgrade our horn too. Shouldn't have to use the horn a whole lot, but when you do have to use it, you want to be heard. So yeah, like I said, anyways, if you have any thoughts on it, just drop them in the comments below. If not, that's cool too. This guy's got parts about to fall off of his car. Which reminds me, I was coming home from bike night week before last, and I was coming up the interstate on the way home, and I saw a truck. It was a pickup truck, was in the lane in front of me. We're in the right lane, and it was loaded down with mattresses and box springs, and they didn't really look like, I couldn't see any way that they were going strapped down to the truck or anything. And luckily I was paying attention, and I looked and said, hey, that doesn't look like it's very secure. And right at the time that I had that thought go through my head, I saw one of the box springs start moving. It started lifting up. They were stacked vertically, and I saw one of them starting to rotate towards me. So luckily I wasn't following too closely. I was able to swerve over into the left lane. There was nobody coming behind me or anything, nobody beside me. I was able to get out of the way, but that thing flew out of the back of the truck, hit the interstate. We were doing about 65, 70 miles an hour, and that thing just flew right out of the back of the truck, hit the pavement, and you know, luckily I wasn't there where it hit. So just a reminder, keep your head on a swivel when you ride. So yeah, that's about it. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, hit that like button. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications icon, the one that looks like a little bell, and that way you'll get notified anytime I upload a new video. And thanks for watching, y'all. Y'all take care and stay well.